Today, I'm going to share with you a secret I've had for about 20 years. I've been making the best chocolate chip cookies ever for all this time, and people always ask for the recipe. I have given it to only a very selected few, but lately, a lot of people have been asking, and I've decided I'm going to unveil the secret. Are you ready? Ta-da! So yes, this is the base to my very famous cookies. Follow the instructions on the recipe. 1 stick of butter, 1 egg. But here's the key. This is not in the recipe and not anywhere else. I add 1.5 cups of oats and 1.5 cups of chopped pecans. And then I just mix it all together and bake the cookies per the instructions in the bag. So I'm going to make them and you can follow along, but they're the easiest cookies and really the best chocolate chip cookies you will ever have. People will ask you for the recipe every time you make them. So let's get started. I have mixed my dough per the instructions in the bag, and if you bake them, you would have very delicious chocolate chip cookies as Betty Crocker would make them. But I have washed my hands really well because now we're about to add all these ingredients, well, just 2 ingredients, that will be very difficult to mix in with a fork or whisk. So we are going to use our very clean hands to mix the oats and the pecans into the cookie dough. This is the consistency that you want. And all we're going to do is make little balls using our tablespoon. Just create little balls and place them in our lined cookie sheet. Space them about 2 inches apart. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 350. And in the oven at 350 they go for 14 minutes, more or less. The famous cookies are ready to enjoy with a little bit of